Good morning, everybody. This is Rodney Sound from Realty One Group Zoom. So today I have an open house in a 2653 Cherry Grove Avenue. It's based in Webb community. So I'm so excited to show you that we will be I will be hosting from 10 to 1 p.m. Any question that you want to regarding the property and also what the requirement, so you feel free to contact me or come to visit me from 10 to 1 p.m. today. So once again, this is Rodney Sound. So you can see a few clips around the house, and this is a 2-bedroom and a 2-bath, and based in a 55 years old and older for the community. But you don't have to be 55 to buy the property, but you have to be 55 to live in this community. So once again, thanks for everybody. If you in the area, please give me a call or stop by. My telephone number 209-539-2915, and please have a nice day and do not dehydrate yourself. Thank you. Rodney Sound. Listen, hi.